Hey curls, and welcome to The Rice Effect, where we focus on the things that affect you. Now, my name is Stephanie Rice. If you're new or you just haven't subscribed yet, press that red subscribe button, and while you're at it, press that notification bell and choose all so that you don't miss not another video of mine. Now today, we'll be making the Triphala 3-in-1 Pre-Poo, Detangler, and Hair Gel. It has so many rewarding properties for the hair and the scalp, and its amazing slip whips those tangles into submission, okay? Now, as you may know, we're in the midst of the Triphala Hair Growth and Body Detox Challenge. Triphala is a combination of 3 superfruits that are great for the proper functioning of the entire body as well as the hair and skin. Throughout this video, the links to our previous videos going in depth about Triphala's benefits, the challenge, and recipes will appear at the top of the screen as well as the end screen. To learn more about how to join us in the challenge, be sure to take a look in the description box. So alright, let's get to it. So here is our first and main ingredient, okra. The vegetable okra, also known as ladyfingers, originated in West Africa and made its voyage during the time of the African diaspora. Okra is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and also boasts calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, folate, zinc, and B vitamins. All of these nutrients are amazing for the hair and the skin. And along with okra's abundant slip, okra's benefits for the hair and skin should not be discounted. Now, as you can see, I'm chopping up 20 pieces of okra. Now, you can use 15 to 20 pieces in this recipe depending on how thick you want the gel. Also, the smaller you chop the pieces, the more gel you get. So now at the stove, we're just going to transfer all of that goodness into the pot. Add 2 glasses of water and stir to make sure that the okra is saturated. Be sure to stir with either a wooden or silicone spoon, no plastic or metal. Set the okra water to boil. After 10 minutes, you should see a nice slimy string of mucilage forming. Let it boil for another 1 to 2 minutes, then turn off the stove. And voila! We are definitely on the right track now because the okra gel is taking its form and feels so soothing to the skin already. Now at this point, you can either pour the mixture into a blender or a glass bowl, or you can go straight into the traditional straining by pouring the okra mixture into a nut bag, cheesecloth, or stocking, then squeeze. But I've decided to try something different this time. Today, I'm using my new Russell Hobbs emulsifying blender. And I'm so glad that I did. It gave me a much smoother result and much less effort on my part to release the mucilage. I'm loving this. So now it's time to strain that okra gel out. We definitely don't want all that pulp in our curls. Trust me, it can be a horror story getting it out. So always strain. Now, as you can see, I've gotten a nice clean bowl and I'm adjusting my nut bag around it for a nice snug fit. And now we strain. Now, although it was an additional step in blending the okra water to release the gel, it made straining a whole lot quicker and a lot easier. See what I mean about the pulp? Can you imagine all that in your hair? So let me introduce you to the Ayurvedic ingredients that we'll be adding to our okra gel. The first is aloe vera powder. Aloe vera is amazing for both the hair and scalp and is well known for its soothing, cleansing, and healing properties. It encourages hair growth and even regrowth with continued use. The next ingredient is no other than Triphala. Triphala contains an abundant amount of vitamin C and boasts antioxidants, antibacterial, microbial, and anti-carcinogenic properties. It conquers skin and scalp issues and encourages healthy hair growth from the inside and out. The use of Triphala has been an Indian tradition for hundreds of years. Please refer to our video about the slew of benefits that Triphala possesses. You should be able to see the link now at the top of the screen. If not, it's also in the description box as well as in the end screen. And then we have green tea. Green tea is a well-known antioxidant that fights free radicals and keeps the aging process at bay. But it's also a great asset to the hair when applied topically. DHT is a hormone that prevents nutrients from being absorbed into the hair follicle, which causes them to shrink and eventually stop growing. Green tea blocks DHT and fortifies the hair follicle with strength and staying power. So green tea is more than welcome into our okra gel. Olive oil. Not many are aware of the fact that olive oil is actually a precious essential oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidants, and due to its oleic acid content, it also reduces the production of DHT with regular use. Raw honey. Not only is raw honey packed with nutrients, it's an antioxidant, antibacterial, and antimicrobial. Raw honey has humectant qualities that bring moisture to the hair, making it more resilient to breakage. So now we're using the double boiler method to heat the okra gel back up and to infuse the Ayurvedic herbs and extracts into the gel. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed by and the okra gel is warm to the touch. So turn off your stove because it's time to start infusing. So now we're going to start adding our Ayurvedic ingredients. The first one being aloe. Lightly sprinkle the aloe into the gel. Stir. Then consistently pat the powdered chunks into submission. We're going to use this technique with each ingredient that we include into the gel. Triphala. Green tea. And let's put our olive oil in. Raw honey. Beautiful. So now we're going to cover the bowl and let it steep from 4 to 6 hours. Then strain. So this is my gel after 8 hours of steeping. As you can see, the green tea leaves have opened up and softened and have infused into the gel. And now we strain. Look at that golden goodness. Oh my goodness, when you use it on your hair, it is so slick but so nutritious. Not grainy or anything, just pure slip and nutrition. So now that we've strained, we're going to transfer everything into an applicator bottle. And voila, there you have it, your very own Triphala Pre-Poo, Detangler, Styler, and face mask. Used as a face mask, it fights hyperpigmentation, shrinks pores, and fights the signs of aging. Thank you so much for joining me today. So give this amazing gel a try, and please let me know how you like it in the comments section. I'd really love to hear from you. And if you have not subscribed yet, press that red subscribe button and then press the notification bell and choose all, because you don't want to miss another video. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.